Hello everyone, welcome to Foxtecc. This time I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make the live photos longer. I'm gonna show you a step-by-step method on how you can do that and also explain how it works. Because imagine that you took a nice live photo and you just want to make it longer. So what can you do in this case? What are some things which you can do about it? So first of all, when you get inside a camera, I'm gonna just cancel any filters in here. I just don't want to use that. But if you're normally in a camera and you have the live photos turned on, you can snap a live photo without any problem. But the very first way to make it longer would be to grab as many as possible in a short period of time, because they're going to be overlapping, and when you take them in a succession like this, you basically have many different live photos, and together you can capture the entire moment, because one photo is going to be a bit longer, capture that portion of the situation. This one's going to be a little bit earlier, so you get my point, but it's not very practical. In other sense would be if you just take as many photos, live photos as you want, and you want to make them longer, another thing to consider would be, why don't you just take a video? Of course, you can just snap a video and make it as long as you need it to be. So that's something to pay attention to keep in mind as well. But when it comes to actually making a live photo longer, I'm going to show you one method which is a bit more in depth, but it does work. Okay, so in case you have a live photo like this, for example, I open up this one, you can see it is live. The very first step to make it longer would be to click on the three dots at the top and save it as a video. So you can see the next thing when I slide is actually a video. Okay, the next step is to open up CapCut, which is a free video editing app. If you don't have it, just download it from the App Store. It's literally free. And if you open it up, just choose the video right here. So if you click on that, this is the video which we have created or just converted from the live photo. So I'm going to delete the last portion. And at this time, what I can do is simply click on the video right here and adjust the speed. At the bottom, when the video portion is selected, I can adjust the speed, click on a normal, and I can make it half the speed, which is going to make it much faster, or 0.1x of the speed. Depends on what you want. So if I click on that, I'm going to be able to make it slower like that, and the video is taking a bit longer. So that's an option as well. Or I can duplicate the clip. I can add different stuff to it and then export it. So if I, for example, click on copy, I have two repeating clips right here. So that's the stuff. The live photo is technically longer, so I'm going to export it by clicking on the export button at the top, and then I can convert it back to live photo. For that, I have to use a third-party app, which is the Live Photo Convert. So Live Converter, you can find it on the App Store and download it for free as well. There is a paid version of this app, but I don't use it. But so in here, I click on videos. This one is the longer one, like that. So it's the long one with the two clips put together. I'm gonna click on the live photo in here. You can see it's just twice repeating there, and I'm gonna hit save. So yeah, you probably be required to subscribe if you use it a lot, but for the first few live photos, you can do it for free as well. And that's how you can save the live photo, which is actually longer because we edited the video, we made it longer and returned it back to the live photo. So that's a technical way how you can do it, but not really the most practical, of course, but I'm showing you what is possible, how you can technically do it. But before we wrap up, I need to show you this, which is the Foxtecc educational platform. Keep in mind, it is a free platform which I created, which you can join right now by clicking on the link down below in the description. Inside, you will find video editing courses, more stuff being worked on right now, and also in-depth iPhone guides. So in case you have some problem with, let's say, App Store, you can join it right here for free and watch an in-depth guide which explains every little detail of the App Store, and you can watch it in here. I go through every single thing. So yeah, definitely check it out. You see if it's for you, but I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. If you found it useful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the Foxtecc, and I will see you in the next video.